It's 8 in the morning, I've had my first coffee today, and it's time to get to work. I love my job. I know that people say that a lot, but truly, ask any of my colleagues and they'll tell you. Domino is a solutions-based company. Some coding and marking companies only provide a printer. Domino uses expertise to combine products and services to help customers achieve their goals. My role at Domino is to understand what my customer needs and to make sure our services are tailored towards that. I'm also tasked with developing advanced services. That basically means customers purchase an outcome. This could change the way the plant equipment is perceived by customers. The right equipment with the right services and control can be used to deliver right code on the right product every time. Currently, we're building in a capability for things that help the customer, like remote diagnostics. Domino needs to focus on items to support customers, reducing unplanned downtime, reducing operator intervention, and providing data to customers. This is Buster. He's 6 months old. The house is definitely a lot more busy now he's around. I'm going to take you for a walk this evening with a troublemaker. I've finished all my customer calls for the morning and I'm heading off now to site to undertake a review.
Somebody loves you.
Right, let's go. I'm now going to conduct a review with a company that has seen the benefits of partnering with Domino and looking long term. Recently, they've made the decision to swap out some aging equipment to provide operational benefits to site. Listening to the customer and committing to comprehensive analysis that solves their problems is absolutely key. I've just popped back home now to follow up with some colleagues on some strategy work to take this forward. But I was going to say, Harry, does this then feature sometimes as part of the customer care course you're making?
We go the extra mile for our customers, setting up dedicated project delivery teams from start to finish. I think we're the only coding and marking company who offer that.
Ultimately, we look to understand the pains the customer has with their production process and present solutions to reduce the indirect costs and get the best performance out of their fleet of Domino printers, maximising production efficiency. I've just finished work for the day, all prepped for tomorrow's jobs. Now it's time to take the dog for a walk. Let's go. I've been at Domino for nearly 13 years now, and I really enjoy the work. I use my experience to mentor others, and we all have the trust and freedom to innovate, which I find exciting.
What do you think, Buster?
Domino has a great social side too. I'm lucky to work with some enthusiastic colleagues with great energy that are passionate about what they do.